Hey everyone, what you're about to watch is the most valuable segments from my weekly Q&A, where new and experienced recruiters get together to ask questions and solve problems. If you want to join the next one, just click on the link in the description to join. It's completely free. You don't need to give me your email address, telephone number, or anything like that. And I'll personally be there to answer any of your questions. Oh, and I've also put together this recruitment starter pack for those in the beginning of their journey, which tells you exactly how to get your first client. You can grab that once you're in our community for free as well. All right, then let's get back into the video.
I want to build my database. How do I go about it? Do I just download CVs and just put them places, or is there what would you suggest, Ahmed?
Yeah, of course, as long as they're relevant, yes. Download. The best way is just to download the CVs, but on CV Library you can't just click like one after the other. That's how they. I think they do something to your account. I can't remember exactly.
You get suspended.
They suspend it. Yeah, that's it. They suspend your account.
Not for long.
Yeah, for a day or two, just for you to kind of cool down, not to use it for 24 hours or so. So what you want to do is, if you're going to take that approach, I would highly recommend that if you're going to be doing this like on a bigger scale, then outsource it, because it's going to be done like really daft, just clicking, downloading CV, clicking, downloading CV, clicking, downloading CV. You got to get someone on Fiverr or someone, but then the tricky part is them logging onto your CV library. That's where it gets a bit tricky, because I think you can't have multiple IP addresses, right? VPN, yeah, I guess so. That's the way around it. Yeah, that's what we're doing actually, because the stuff in Kenya and stuff. That's what I'm doing anyway. It's like they use my LinkedIn, not LinkedIn, my CV library, but because it's like a RDP, it's technically like a VPN, they can log on. So yeah, if you're going to do that method, I would say go into CV library, download it one by one, and give it like a space of like 5 seconds to 8 seconds to 10 seconds before you download the next one. So it looks like it's a human read the CV rather than it's like coming up as a bot.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's one of the ways I've built a database with CV library. What other ways can you?
Watchdogs are good. The only thing about Watchdogs is you have to have access to the email address.
What's Watchdog?
Watchdog is basically, so imagine you're looking for a quantity surveyor in London.
Oh, is that the little option on the CV library?
Yeah, it's an option on CV library. So imagine you're looking for a quantity surveyor in London. You put your criteria in, and then every day any new quantity surveyors that register or whatever, they get emailed to you. But obviously you said you're using it from a friend, so you need access to that email address for the CV library account for those emails to come to you.
Oh yes, I see.
But be careful when you send a watchdog. Sometimes if you don't put the criteria, you're gonna get masses of profiles, and they're not gonna be relevant. You need to make sure your criteria is on point.
Oh, I see.
So the stuff, what are the type of stuff that you're looking for again? Were they all healthcare related?
Are you talking with me?
Yes.
I don't know how to say domiciliary carers.
Domiciliary carers, yeah.
And the guy basically, I think he's looking for multiple,
What is it? What is the setting? Is it a residential care? Is it care homes?
Residential care.
Sorry, I think that's the same thing. I meant like the like personal care when they go to the people's homes. I think that's the one, right?
Yeah.
Supported living.
Yeah, supported living.
So they're just going to people's homes.
Okay. And I was just thinking if they had any NHS email addresses. They probably don't, to be fair. Your candidates.
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at CV library. They've got. I don't need a CV. I don't contact them by email. I call them. The ones I've called, to be fair, I've seen some really, really good ones, but they need CV. They need a sponsorship, and my clients they don't have the license for it. So this is just a case of me trying to outsource at this moment, and I posted some job adverts and just seeing how it goes really. But as of now, just for me to confirm that I'm just waiting for the job description to land on my desk.
Yes, then you got the first job on. Nice.
That's the best job on ever.
Good. Inshallah goes well.
Sure. Yeah, I mean, I've got a quick question actually. Talking about what Brother Yahya said about the like making a database, stuff like that. One thing I was when I first started my agency, like I mean to this day, to be honest, I've got a spreadsheet where all the candidates that I've kind of pre-screened and spoke to, I've kind of put all their details on there, like their location, if they drive, all the kind of bits and pieces I need to know. But that spreadsheet has become a bit too messy and it's not the best. And obviously now I've been seeing people and just I've been here for a while, people obviously using different CRMs and stuff like this. So what would you recommend for like people who are relatively new in recruitment? Like a good platform to be able to like build their CRM or to a CRM platform to build their database, etc. Yeah, because it's a bit of a kind of thing I've never even looked into before, so I don't really know where to go.
Fair enough. We've got Assad, the brand ambassador.
I was
Do you
just gonna say brand ambassador.
he
Yeah.
likes to promote one CRM.
So it's Brother Moala, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I used actually saying that I used to use the same CRM used which is Eclipse, but it's very expensive. I found it, and obviously you have to sometimes pay up front. Then I moved to a CRM called Zoho. I don't know if anyone's heard of it, but it was terrible. It's like very basic. The CRM I use now, I've used a couple, so bear in mind I've moved on. But the CRM I use now, I love. It's £54 a month. It's cloud based. So imagine like you're at work or you're just in the evening, you want to log in, but you don't want to pull out your laptop. You can log in from your phone. You can check a phone number, email, whatever. You can add all your clients. You can search them by postcode. You can search them by industry. If you're looking at candidates, you can search candidates by a postcode, tags like job title and stuff like that. You can add templates. So imagine you've got a vacancy in North London and you've got like 500 candidates in North London. You can email them all the same template to say, look, I've got this amazing role in North London, in the area, send you a CV and stuff like that.
That's really good.
It's got a journal, which is basically notes. So you've called them, this person's interested or this person's not interested. You can make the notes as well. And also, very importantly, someone mentioned it previously, you can import CSV files. So imagine you've got 2,000 clients on your spreadsheet of care homes. You can import not all in one go because you don't need too many, but maybe 1,000 at a time into the database, and they'll add all of them in one go. You don't need to manually add one by one, basically.
What was that one called? Sorry, bro.
Recruit so simple.
Recruit so simple.
Recruit so simple, yeah. It is quite, and it generally is quite easy to use. It's very, as soon as you use it for a couple of days, you'll get experience. And also, I think you mentioned scheduling emails. You can schedule emails as well. So imagine tomorrow morning you want to email 4,000 care homes. You can schedule it for 9 a.m. So when it gets to 9 a.m. in the morning, those emails will start going out whilst you're working, sleeping, whatever.
Really? And then is there like any way of storing CVs on there, or does it?
Yeah, that you can. I've got 90,000 candidates on my database on there. I've probably got half of them in CVs. You
No
can
way.
store the
That's
CV.
cool.
You can. The thing is, when you search for candidate, you can search the CV for keywords. So it searches like a database as well.
Oh, okay, cool. No, that sounds good.
Yeah. The other
Yeah.
thing is, I think they give a 14-day free trial. So if you want, use the 14-day free trial.
Yeah, I'm on their website at the minute. I can see that it says try recruit so simple. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I'll have a
What
look
you
into
want
this.
to do,
Yeah.
if you give them a call, there's a guy called Steve Varman. Just basically give him a call. He's quite helpful and he'll kind of guide you through it. I think they do a 2-week free trial, 14 days.
For sure, you don't work for them. You know quite a lot.
You know what? I know more than them about
You
the
know more than
system.
Steve, probably.